This is a series of instructional videos that'll get you rolling on your bike safer with more confidence. Practice developing this bike skill in a safe place under the supervision of an adult. And always wear a helmet. Bike Club, building confident cyclists and great Tulsans through community engagement. Hi, this is Mike from Bike Club Tulsa. Let's talk about shifting gears. We use our gears to change speeds and go up and down hills. Changing gears helps us pedal smoother. Easy gears work best going up hills. Hard gears work best going down hills. While shifting, stay soft on the pedals until the chain moves over. You should only shift gears when pedaling and moving forward. Different bikes have different kinds of shifters. Get to know how to use your shifters. Look at your bike. How many gears does it have? Try riding in your easiest gear first. Your gear shifter should say 1. Were your legs spinning too fast? Was the gear too easy? Second time, try gear 3 or 4 on your shifter. Was it easier or harder than riding in gear 1? Third time, try gear 7, or your hardest gear. Was gear 7 harder or easier than the other gears? Now, try starting in gear 1 or 2 and shift gears as you accelerate around the course. Shifting gears takes a lot of practice. Using your gears correctly, you'll be a much smoother cyclist. You'll be able to ride farther and faster. Thanks for watching our instructional videos. All these skills take time to master, so keep practicing. Have fun, and always wear your helmet. Bike Club rocks!